Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn how we can create a mini calendar by using the two formulas of Excel. And we have used very simple technique and limited formulas to create such type of calendar. So we start our working. First we need to select the cell and write here months so we can mention our desired month. Then we want the year. After completing it, what we need to do, we simply need to select here the month, and to make the month more attractive we use here the data validation function. But before that we need to write or mention here the list of months like January and the February, March, and then what we need to do, we simply select these cells and then drag so we can get our list. Now we select here the cell and go here in the data. In the data we have the different functions, so we select the data validation, and in the data validation we simply write a list and select these months and then close it. Now we simply need to give it month and it will automatically work. For year you can type it manually. Now we have completed this. Then what we need to do, we simply hide this column. Now what we need to do here, we simply select the cells and make it merge. And then what we need to do, we use here the formula which is dated or date value bracket open, what it says date text. So we select first here 1, then and sign, and then what we need to do here, we select the D2 which is our month, then again and sign, and then D3 for our year, then close the bracket. Now we got the date, but the format is different. So what we need to do here, we simply go here and select the format cells. In the formats we have different functions, or we have the different formats of data. Now we want here this data, or we want here the month, and then what we want, we simply want the month and then year. Now after getting the data, what we need to do here, we want the month and then year in the complete like 2026. So how we can go here, we simply go here and the format cells, and the format we have the custom, and in the custom we need to write here 4 times y, so you can see here the changes as well. Now simply go here and you can see here we got the result. Now make it more better, and you can make it attractive by simply changing the data. Now what we need to do here, we simply start with Sunday, then you write here Monday, and then after selecting the data we need to simply drag it down to Saturday, Sunday, then Saturday, so we got the 7th, and then make it bold and the center. Now what we need to do, we simply need to use our important formula which will create the whole data. So we simply use here sequence bracket open, and then what we need to do, so to make it more attractive or to make it more visible and easy, we use or we write here in the formula bar. Then it says the raw, so we want or we write here 6, and then columns, so again we want in the 7 columns, comma, then it says the start, so we start with our data which is C5. So we write or we start our data with C5 which is our date, and then we make it constant. Then what we need to do, we simply use here minus sign, and then what we need to do here, we again need to use here formula which is weekday, comma, and then again we need to select this date cell and make it constant, then comma, it gives us 1 by using the numbers like 1 Sunday through Saturday, and then we close bracket. Now plus 1, so it start, comma, and we want increment by 1, so we again write here 1, and this is our complete formula that we have used to create a mini calendar. Now we simply need to press here enter, so we got the data. Now we want the format, so we go here and select the format cell, and in the format what we want, first we need to select the date, like we want the date, and then you select the custom, and in the custom what we want, we simply want the day, so I remove all the remaining data. Now press here OK, so we got here data. Now you can make it better like bold, or you can make it border, and then you can again make it better like you can make it bold. Now page layout, and then in this way we have completed our mini calendar. Now what we need to do here, we simply need to test our formula. So like if I select April, and you can check and you can match the calendar with the data, like if I open the calendar, so you can see here in the April what we have, in the Wednesday we have 1, so we got the 1, and then in the Thursday we have 30, so in the Thursday we have 30. So this is the 2026 calendar. So if I change here to 2024, and in the April if I change here to January, so you can see here it have also updated, or it has also changed its numbers. So this is how we can create a simple mini calendar by using the two formulas only. If you face any issue while using it, please write in our comment section.